The point of having a business is to make money. So I know that most of us start out in a space, including myself, where it's like, oh, okay, I'm smarter than the system. I'm going to pay as minimal amount of taxes as possible or show a loss and write everything off. And while that might work in the short term, long term, that is going to mess with so many things. The first thing it's going to mess with is your energy, your money relationship, because if you play poor on paper and you play rich in your community, in real life, or in your mindset, you're trying to get back into that or get to that wealthy mindset, it's really going to mess with your energy because you're playing one role in one space and another role in another space. The next way it's really going to mess with you long term is no one's going to invest in you. You basically are telling the world you have a really shitty business model. So you're not going to get any loans. You're not going to be able to have any investors into your company, and you won't be able to sell your company if you decide that that's the last decide that's the last step in your journey with the company that you have. The next space where it could really hurt you long term is you have to qualify for Social Security. So you need I don't know what it is, 30 working credits or something like that. So you have to pay in to Social Security year and year and year and year and year, or a certain amount, in order to qualify to receive it in your retirement years. So that net income that you make in your business, that self-employment tax that you pay on that net income, goes into feeding that system. So if you're constantly showing a loss or a break even in your business, you're actually disqualifying yourself for retirement benefits down the line. So just keeping in mind that the point of your business should be to make money. It should sustain itself. It should sustain your lifestyle. It should fuel your dreams. You don't want to pay too much taxes, but you definitely don't want to pay too little taxes. You want to pay the appropriate amount for what your goals are. So just keep in mind that if you want to break even, have a loss, that's pretty common in the first couple of years of your business. But if you continue on this path, if 3 out of 5 years, if you don't show a profit, the IRS is actually going to convert you into a hobby business, which is going to disqualify you from certain exemptions and deductions, and you no longer have a business anymore. So long term, not a good plan. Long term, your plan should be to make money and keep the money that you make.